song by Women Occupy San Diego about some of our concerns about the TPP.
Occupy your mind today. Learn what's really going on. Me, an individual, against the corporations. So whatever shall we do? Fair trade agreements we demand. Together we can take a stand that would take us back to occupy and take a stand against injustice in your land. You and me together can win against the corporations. So whatever can we do? Be strong against the greedy hand. Fair trade agreements we demand that would bring us back to you. TPP, don't say a word. You're doing something quite absurd. If your secret plans get out, they won't get passed with an okay shout. You're not about fair trade and rules. No regulations, no controls. Protection on air and food must stay. Profits over people is not the way. Hush, TPP, don't say a word. Pretend something good for the world's occurred. The secret is out and the world will see. TPP's not for you and me. Trade is good, a necessity. Workers' rights must be ensured, protecting you and me. We must protect the air and the water too. Think of all the children, be careful what you do. Partnerships made far away across the open sea. Must not forget the local needs of country's sovereignty. Why should we trust you to do your job with care? What's good for me is good for you. Be open if you dare.
Going to make it if you take my job and trade it to the lowest bidding Trans-Pacific shore.
We will not be silent. No, we won't be silent. We just won't be silent anymore. We'll fight the powers that be just. Don't pick our destiny, 'cause this is our life, this is our song. We got the right to choose it. There is no way we'll lose it. We're not going to take it anymore. We will not be silent. No, we won't be silent. We just won't be silent anymore. Hey, all world citizens, it's really sad. Corporations act like nations, selling trade deals that are really bad. Climbing mountains, crossing oceans, taking charge in